BMW CEO Oliver Zipes humiliates Tesla? Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. In any event, we'll keep you informed about Tesla. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments area. For the second time this year, Oliver Zipes, the CEO of BMW, the world's most known car manufacturing company, has taken a shot at Tesla. Tesla, according to Oliver, has quality difficulties to cope with, and the business will also struggle to sustain its quick growth due to fierce rivalry among electric vehicle manufacturers. Good day, everyone. Hello, and welcome back to your one and the only technology channel, where we give you all you need to know about Elon Musk and his multi-billion-dollar businesses. We'll tell you about it in today's video. Oliver Zipes, the CEO of BMW, has humiliated Tesla. And why has Tesla become the primary focus for the other automakers? What has Oliver said about Tesla's quality problems? So stick with us till the finish of the video for further information. Tesla is a California-based electric car manufacturer that was started in 2003 by a group of engineers that were dedicated to delivering something new to the world. Tesla introduced the first electric vehicle in 2008, which turned the tide in the sea of gasoline cars. In 2012, Tesla developed a power plant in America and Europe to recharge batteries faster at no additional cost to owners. Tesla, as one of the world's premier electric vehicle manufacturers, is making rapid development in racing technology, as seen by its new models being produced one after the other. While several companies, including Volkswagen and Ford, have lately officially recognized Tesla's EV dominance, there are others that do not want to see it succeed or make more success than them in the EV market. Who's the one slamming Tesla now? You won't be shocked to learn that it's no other than BMW's CEO Oliver Zipes, who has taken another shot at Tesla for the second time this year. Prior to this, Oliver chastised Tesla in February, stating that Tesla would not be able to keep their golden crown in the fundamental competition since the rest of the industry is speeding up. In February, BMW CEO Oliver Zipes spoke at the DLD All-Stars conference. However, his prediction was incorrect, as Tesla's demand has continued to rise, with the Model 3 becoming Europe's best-selling passenger vehicle in September. Tesla delivered over 500,000 cars in 2020, according to our research, and a 50% annual growth rate is predicted in the next years. True, Tesla is on a path to great success, but the rivalry from its competitors is growing by the day as manufacturers turn their focus to developing their own electric cars. For example, GM, the world's biggest car maker, has said that by the end of 2035, it would seize all gas-powered vehicle sales and spend $27 billion on electric and autonomous cars over the following 5 years. Furthermore, Volkswagen's electric car sales have more than tripled in 2020, and Apple is said to be developing its own electric car. As you can see, Tesla will face stiff competition in the next years. But despite the challenge, market experts are optimistic and predict Tesla will continue to grow. With a green tidal wave on the horizon, we anticipate Tesla will enjoy substantial growth in the United States in 2021 and beyond, adding to the company's white-hot growth in China and Europe this year, according to Daniel Lives, an analyst at Wedbush. Returning to our subject, BMW CEO recently took another shot at Tesla, claiming that quality and dependability are what distinguishes BMW from Tesla. Tesla isn't yet in the luxury sector, but it is rapidly expanding due to price cuts. We wouldn't do it because you have to be able to go the distance, according to BMW CEO Oliver Zipes, who spoke at a conference hosted by the business newspaper Handelsblatt. He said that Tesla's surge is attributable to the company's price decreases, and that a comparison between Tesla and BMW goods may not be fair. So, although whether Tesla is premium or not is a separate matter, Zipes' comments featured a factual mistake on Tesla's price drop. If you're a Tesla fan, you're certainly aware that the company's car costs have been rising in recent months, and according to CEO Elon Musk, this trend will continue. When acquiring 100,000 Model 3 sedans for its rental fleet, not even Hertz received the discount. This transaction with Hertz also lifted Tesla's worth over $1 trillion for the first time. And then Elon Musk initiated a downward fall with a proposal to practically sell 10% of its holdings. Rivian Automotive raised $11.9 billion in this year's largest first-tier share offering, adding to investors' concerns over electric car stock dramatic rises. BMW recently unveiled two new electric cars, the i4 sedan and the iX SUV. However, it seems that Tesla goods continue to lead the worldwide market, despite the fact that sales of plug-in hybrid, completely electric vehicles almost quadrupled to over 230,000 cars in the first 9 months of the year. They still pale in contrast to Tesla's third quarter shipment of 241,300 units. In his comments, Oliver has also linked dependability in build quality with customer happiness, which is based on numerous indicators. Although when it comes to construction quality, Tesla lags below some of the more experienced luxury automobile manufacturers. Tesla is an extremely dependable car with a high customer satisfaction rating. According to a poll, price decreases and customer satisfaction are both on the rise. Tesla has come up on top in a customer satisfaction study done in 2021. In the American customer satisfaction ranking, while BMW was 1 point behind, BMW has been stepping up its electric car releases lately with the introduction of the i4 sedan and iX SUV, both of which compete with the Tesla Model 3 and Model X. In the first 9 months of 2021, BMW sold over 230,000 plug-in hybrid and pure electric cars. During the third quarter alone, Tesla delivered 241,300 electric vehicles. According to Bloomberg, Oliver Zipes also pointed out a few other differences between Tesla's products and BMW's electric vehicles. Where we differ is in our quality and dependability standards, he allegedly remarked at a recent Block conference, and in our customer satisfaction ambitions. While thinking about the CEO's prior words from February, Oliver might reconsider because what he stated in February turned out to be for Tesla's benefit. BMW, on the other hand, is one of the few automakers that have yet to declare a date for becoming totally electric. Other premium brands such as Bentley, Audi, Jaguar, and Mercedes-Benz have already set a date for that turning point. While BMW recognizes the future is electric, it has yet to set a date for when every Bavarian car will be fully electric. Tesla's success is also dependent on the economy's recovery from the pandemic, as its sales fell nearly 15% in the second half of 2020 as consumers cut back on car spending. To compensate for the loss, the business has chosen a new strategy of developing a cheaper electric vehicle, which will help improve sales in September. Elon Musk, the business's CEO, said that the company will produce 25,000 fully autonomous electric cars in 3 years. Tesla also lowered the cost of several of its cars last week. According to Ives, a rise in China, the world's largest vehicle market, might be critical to Tesla's success. In China, Tesla may be able to supply 1 million automobiles by 2022 due to the astronomical demand. This region might account for up to 40% of Tesla's worldwide sales, which is enormous. According to the expert, China's automobile industry represents the heart and lungs of Tesla's demand and development. In January, the business started shipping Shanghai-made Model and Y automobiles. Tesla also wants to extend its network even further throughout the world, as Elon Musk has said in recent tweets that the corporation is on the verge of starting operations in India later this year. According to David Leggett, a worldwide statistics automotive expert, we predict India's auto market to double in size over the next 5 years, with electric cars gaining market share. So, how do you feel about the video? Do you believe Tesla has quality concerns, or do you believe Oliver Zipes is only attempting to pull Tesla down? Please be sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comment section below. And thank you for viewing.